Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. I'm Ms. Azendorf with your morning announcements on this magnificent Monday, the 25th day of January. And today is a B-Day. Please rise and join me for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And the Texas flag. Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. We actually have no birthdays to acknowledge today, so I'm going to skip ahead to the next part. That is an outdated and that happy belated birthday to Mia, but we already wished her happy birthday last week, so that's my bad. I just want to say again, congratulations to our seniors. 100% of seniors have been accepted. That's a huge feat, and we're really proud of all of you. Another announcement is that there is a junior parent meeting this Tuesday. We're talking about the college process and what that looks like because it's important to start talking about that early. So please tell your parents if you are currently a junior. The link for the meeting is in the RTTC 3 Teams page. So we will see you there from 5:15 to 6. Our January word count competition continues. This might be a little outdated, but make sure that you are getting in as many words as possible. Keep it up. Another reminder, we've said this quite a few times, but we're still missing some calculators. Please make sure that you are dropping your calculator off at the school. Even if you're not coming to school in person, just drop it off at the front office. If you took the December ACT exam, we need those calculators back. And one of the reasons we need those calculators back is so we can give them to the 8th graders. 8th graders, there is a calculator pickup. You can pick up a calculator at the front office this Thursday through Friday Tuesday, I think that's Tuesday through Friday from 8 to 3 p.m. We are trying to do something for your teachers, so if you have a moment to write something nice to your teacher, we have created a survey. So you just need to go to bit.ly/39EF, these are all capital FITW, to write a quick thank you note to a teacher. You can write as many as you want. But it's always nice when students show a little gratitude, so it'll only take you a minute if you're willing to do so. That would be nice. You can still earn a chip party when you turn in your re-registration form or when your parent completes it online. You will get a chip party, so remind your parents to complete the form by this January 27th, which is just a few days away, so please make sure that you're reminding your parents. Also, refer a friend and win. We're looking for new students at Montopolis, so you can refer a friend, and if you do, you might win a popsicle party. The competition ends on the 28th. Again, we need some volunteers for recruiting, so similar to if you refer a friend, we're looking for help with some recruitment for new students. So if you're interested, you can complete that survey right there. This is a new announcement, but we wanted to remind you or share with you that DACA is now open. DACA is a program that is open to certain young immigrants who are currently undocumented. It offers certain protections from deportation for one. It helps you get jobs as another perk, but it is open. It has been open since December. So if you want to learn more about it, you can reach out to me. This is Ms. Azendorf, and I can answer some questions, but I did want you to start having that conversation with your parents. It could be a really good opportunity if you are undocumented to get some extra protections here in the U.S. The schedule is different starting today, so please make sure you know where you are going. Your teachers have been posting about this on your Teams pages. They've been sharing announcements, but today is the official day, so please make sure that you understand where you are going. I'm going to give you just a second to soak up this middle school schedule. Take a picture if necessary. And then the high school schedule for 9th and 10th. It's a little cut off But take a second to take a picture. And then 11th and 12th. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to one of your teachers. We're happy to help you understand where you need to go. You get this reminder every week, but it's still important. Attendance is important. You cannot get credit for certain classes if you miss too many days. That's the Texas law. We have to follow that. So you have to attend 90% of your classes. You can't miss more than 18 days of school. Again, another reminder about proper mask use. Please make sure that it is over your nose and it is tight to your face. Don't want you to get sick or get others sick. And again, if you have any questions, you can text us at that number and follow us on Facebook. We post a lot of important information on Facebook. And finally, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. And I can't wait to actually say that over the announcements to every single one of you when you're in person. Now it's time for Move This World, and since Move This World is about social and emotional learning, I do want to just remind you that we're here as a resource. If you need someone to talk to, if you're having a hard time, please reach out to a teacher, to the social worker, to me. We can connect you to somebody that can support you. Have a great Monday, Bulldogs. See you later.